Investment Mastery. We literally live for helping people. What we're going to do for you when you take this role on is I'm going to show you a way that you can make money and serve people at the same time. It's my only goal in Investment Mastery is to build super successful athletes. If you give us 100%, I will give you 100%. Anyone got any questions? Now we're going to see you guys individually, but does anybody straight up, after seeing that and no hard feelings, not want to go and have a quick chat? Anybody?
Yeah, I'm going to be that.
Yeah? Cool. Why this role?
Making money.
Yeah? Which one were you? Come on, now you can tell us. This one?
Do you think
This one?
the 60k?
This one, yeah?
Yep.
The highest one? I don't know. I'm more leaning to no, because I care about your anxiety and what you had going on the past year.
I'd love to be in a position like say in where you are now, which is actually one of the questions I've got, which is about being a leader, like having my set of team that I can actually encourage, inspire.
I don't know if you're going to be able to take the pressure.
Yeah.
Do you think you could? Regardless, whether you are successful or not here, you're welcome to come to our seminar. I'm more than welcome to give you a VIP ticket to our next seminar at no cost. Just come down, enjoy yourself. It might help your mindset a bit. You know, there's a lot of mindset training in there as well, which I think will be good for you. Don't be so hard on yourself, buddy. It's been a big year. All right? Appreciate it, buddy. These are the two we probably should see again.